Now, would you like to make $100 or even $200 a day? Well, in this quick video, I'm going to show you a program that I was able to make $200 in just in one day, and I believe you can do the same. Of course, results are not typical, and you definitely have to pay attention to this video and the training as well. My name is Shelton, and welcome to my video today. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make $100 or even $200 a day by following this program and the training you will receive when you sign up. Now, if this is your first time here at this channel, hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day, and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is, and it's that time. Let's talk about it. How you can make $100 or $200 a day or even $500 a day just by following this program and going through the training steps along the way. Results are not typical. Yes, results are not typical, but yes, you will have the opportunity to do that. Now, right now, I'm at this page called the Super Affiliate Network. It's an opportunity that I'm a part of, and I'm a proud member because they have excellent training program to teach you how that you can go ahead and have success online. Once again, results are not typical. And as you see right here on the leaderboard, on the daily sales, I am number 2 on the daily sales, and I'm number 2 in the monthly sales for the company. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you my results real fast, and I'm going to show you where you can get signed up. As a matter of fact, right below this video, you can go ahead and sign up for your free trial. You'll go ahead and watch a short video. After that video, go ahead and take action, and afterwards you'll be notified from an advisor to go ahead and get signed up and get started with this excellent training program called the boot camp. So right now I'm going to go ahead and show you my actually results from the Super Affiliate Network. And by the way, the Super Affiliate Network is a digital marketing company online that teach you how to build a foundation in terms of your business and also teach you how to build an awareness online. It's really great, fun, and it's also very educational. As in right now, as you see here, I made $204.90 today off only 4 sales. So that's showing you the power of online marketing and showing you the power of owning your own business in terms of making income online. Once again, results are not typical, but I do believe you need to work really hard to be able to have any type of results at all. So I do have the disclaimer right below this video as well. Now, those are my results for the day. Now, when you go and get signed up, you're going to go and start out with the training program called the boot camp. So I'm going to go to it right now. I'm going to go show you a little sneak preview of what you're going to get when you sign up. Now, when you first sign up for the boot camp, you will go ahead and start with the module 1 that starts right here. Now, once again, right below this video, click on the link on this video. It's my #1 recommendation of making money online and starting your online business. Click on that link to get started, and then you'll put your email address in there, watch a short video, go ahead and go forward from there, and then you'll be notified with an advisor within 24 hours to help you every step of the way with this module system. It's an unbelievable training, powerful system that teaches you how to have success online. It does. You have an advisor there to hold your hand and will help you go through these modules, which teach you how to build a business online. Module 1 to about module 16. Module 16, let's see. Go to module 16. Let me check it out here. So it goes to module 5, 6. Yes, so it goes to another phase there. So yeah, so go ahead and get started with this right away. If you want to make $100 or $200 a day, you can actually make more than this. But once again, results are not typical of this. You do have to follow the steps and follow the training steps along the way. I think it's a great program because I love how interactive the boot camp is, and I love the fact that you have an advisor that's there. You're just not out there by yourself. You're actually pretty much along with somebody helping you along the way. So I'm gonna click on the start here button at the top there, and right here when I was talking about, this is where you'll start your boot camp right there. And it says click here to start your training now. You'll click there to start your training now, and then now you get right into the boot camp, which is you'll discover how to unlock the millionaire within through reprogramming your subconscious mind, which is so important even before you start making money online, you got to get your mind right, and you need to have the right coaching and training. So this is what you'll discover, and you'll go through the steps here, good nice videos, and then when you're done with the videos, when you're done with each video, you'll put your email address and you go ahead and put your biggest takeaway as well in terms of what you learned from it. And by the way, your advisor will see all this as well. Your advisor will see all the information you're putting in. Don't worry about it if you're not tech savvy, you get lost, you have an advisor that you can call, email, text, and hey, you can even call me. You can call me, email me, even if you get lost as well, because I want you to have success for this program and for your life about building a legacy, right? Because I know you're tired, you're frustrated, you've been searching online all day, all week, all month, and you want to make some money online. Well, why not get some of the best coaching you're going to see on the internet with a super affiliate network that got you covered? Will teach you each step along the way of building your business online. So that's all I got for you. Click on the link below to get started. Is my #1 recommendation of making money online and starting your business today. There's a link there. Click there, add your email in that link. And then from there, you want to watch a short video, take action on the steps that video is telling you to do. After that, your advisor will be in touch with you within about 24 hours, and you'll start with the training. And that's it. You start with the training. It's a step-by-step process along the way. Of course, I'll be around as well. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to me as well. I have my email address in the description box. And yes, I am looking forward to seeing your results in this program. So click on the link below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.